Hummingbird spell bee, class 4, question number 21 to 25. Select the word which can be substituted for the given sentence. 21. A person interested in reading books and nothing else is known as bookworm. BOOKWORM. BOOKWARM is wrong and bookkeeper is also wrong. So, bookworm is the correct answer. Question number 22. Policemen riding on motorcycles has got to VIP or outriders. OUTRIDERS. Outriders is the correct answer. Commandos and commandos will not come. Outriders, here the spelling is wrong. So, outriders is the correct answer. 23. To walk with slow or regular steps is to pace. Pace means keeping at regular distance or regular intervals. Walking at regular intervals. PACE. Distance is the correct answer. Stride, pace. Pace here spelling is wrong and stride will not come and stride will not come. 24. To cause troops etc. to spread out in readiness for battle is deploy. Deploy the army we are seeing no. So deploy DEPLOY is the correct spelling. Here the deploy has been misspelled. Collocate will not come and collocate will not come. 25th. A voice loud enough to be heard is audible. AUDIBLE is the correct spelling. Here audible has been spelled wrongly. And applaudable means clapping. So it will not come. Applaudable will not come. Questions 26 to 30. Select the word which is correct spelled. Ascent. ASCENT. This is the correct spelling. So here ascent, ASCANT has been misspelled. Here ascent has been misspelled. Ascent is misspelled. Ascent has been correctly spelled because ascent means decrease. Ascending order we are saying no. So ASCENT has been correctly spelled. Furious, 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 furious. Here furious has been spelled correctly here. FURAOUS. It's the correct. Next. Chovas, coax, cavox, cavos. Chovas, CHO, chavos, CHAOS should come. So, coas has been spelled here correctly. Chavos here misspelled and this is also misspelled. Sturdy, 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 sturdy. So, sturdy has been spelled correctly. Sturdy means built strong. He is a sturdy person. That heroic. 31 is heroic. HERIOC has been spelled correctly. Heroic. Sorry. Heroic. 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 Heroic has been spelled correctly. All others has been misspelled. Question number 31 to 35. Fill in the blanks from the suitable alphabets provided in the options to make a meaningful word. Accurate. ACCURATE. So, ATE. Accurate. Correct answer. Reveal. REVEAL. So, REVEAL. Plentiful. 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 Plentiful means having in excess quantity. ENTI. Variety. Variety means different. VARIETY. So, IETY. Descend. Descend means decrease. DESCEND. So DESCEND. Descend. Directions for question 36 to 40. In questions given below, a word is underlined. Below are given alternatives to the underlined word, which may improve the sentence. Choose the correct alternative. 36. Reality in our century is not something to be faced. Century spelling is CENTURY, which has been given in option C. A vacant mind. No. A vacant mind will come. So this is wrong. This is vacant spelling wrong. So a vacant mind. VACANT. This has been correctly spelled and this is the correct answer. A vacant mind means devoid of thoughts or reflection. 38. The priest could not reveal her confidence. Reveal means say. REVEAL, which has been given in option C. The colors blend well. Blend means mix. BLEND, given in option D. Fragile items require separation and cushioning. Fragile means weak items, delicate items which is easy to break. So FRAGILE. Option A is the correct and all others has been misspelled. Question number 41. Identify the image and select the correct word and its correct spelling. This is drainage, which we find in our kitchen sink. DRAIN, drain. Another drain has been given but has been spelled wrongly. This is drawer. DRAWER, drawer. Another drawer has been given but has been spelled wrongly. What is this? This is vegetable cutter, slicer. SLICER. So, SLICER. Option C is the correct one. What is this? Both are fighting. So, this is wrestling. WRESTLING is the correct one. So, slicer. This is slicer, vegetable cutter. This is drawing. So, what is this? Barcode. BARCODE. Barcode is the correct answer. Here, barcode is in option C. Complete the word suitable with alphabets. Miniature. MI. Miniature. Miniature means small things. Miniature. A is the correct answer. Which word describes the idiom good as gold? Good as gold means precious. PRECIOUS is the correct answer. Here precious has been misspelled. Valueless will not come. 48. Which one of the following is the antonym of the word reduce? Reduce synonym is diminish. So reduce opposite antonym is strengthen. So strengthen. This has been spelled correctly. This has been misspelled. Which one of the following is the synonym of the word humble? Humble means timid like. Timid means actually lack of courage. So humble will also comes like that. Humble people will not boast. Choose the word which is correctly spelled. Shabby. SHABBY, which is given in option C. Shabby means a thing which has become obsolete or outdated or in poor condition due to lack of maintenance. So CHABBY, shabby, is spelled correctly. Here conceited will not come. Only humble means timid only. Here which has been correctly spelled? Shabby. CHABBY, which is in Option C. All other spellings in other options have been misspelled.